Hello everyone, welcome to a more session of Science with me. Children, today we'll be continuing the chapter Digestion and the Role of Microbes. Till now, in a previous video, we have learned the sets of teeth and types of teeth. Okay, now further we'll be learning parts of a tooth. Okay, so children, a tooth. See, look at the diagram which I made it on my whiteboard. A tooth has a crown and a root. Okay, it is divided in two parts. One is the crown and the second one is the root. So, a tooth has a crown and a root. The crown is the part we see. The crown is the part which we can see, right? But the root, children, we cannot see. Okay? The crown is the part we see, whereas the root is the part inside the gums that we cannot see. And these gums hold the teeth in their places. Okay? So children, the white part which we are seeing, which we can see outside. So the white part on the outside of a tooth is called enamel. Okay? That is called an enamel. Okay? Because this part, this is a white part, and it is outside of a tooth we can see. Okay, that's called a enamel. Okay, and it is the hardest substance, right, in the human body. This enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. Below the enamel lies a hard dentine. Okay, and inside the dentine lies the pulp. Clear? And the pulp is a very soft and it's full of nerves and blood vessels. Okay, pulp is a very soft and it is full of nerves and blood vessels. Okay, and the pulp forms the central part of the tooth. Children, nerve, when we're talking what is the nerves, see, part of the nervous system that take messages to and from the brain and the other body parts, right? And the blood vessels are thin tubes through which blood flows. Okay, now see the three layers of the tooth. Okay, the first one is enamel, the second dentine, and the pulp. Now we are going to learn one by one. Okay, we are going to, let me describe one by one. The first is when we are talking, children, about the enamel, see, it is the outer white covering of the tooth. Okay, enamel is the outer white covering of the tooth and it is the hardest substance in our body. Okay, and it also protects the teeth from wear and tear of chewing, and it forms the crown of the tooth. Okay, when we're talking about the tooth, okay, now when we're talking about the crown, I told you a tooth has a crown and a root. So this enamel forms the crown of the tooth. Okay, now the dentine. Okay, see children, it is yellow and bone like material and it lies under the enamel. Okay, this dentine lies under the enamel and it supports the enamel. What this dentine do? It supports the enamel. Okay, and it also protects the inner pulp. Right, now coming to the third one, that is a pulp. What is the function of the pulp in the tooth? See, the pulp is the innermost part, right, and it contains nerves and blood vessels. Okay, what it contains? It contains nerves and blood vessels. Just now I told you about the nerves. See, nerves is a part of the nervous system that takes messages to and from the brain and other body parts. Okay, and the blood vessels is a thin tube through which the blood flows. Okay, so pulp is the innermost part and it contains nerves and blood vessels, right? The tooth get nourishment from the pulp, and children, it also sends signals to the brain. Okay, who is sending these signals to the brain? The pulp. Okay, the pulp sends signals to, if you have some problem in a teeth, okay, suppose you have a toothache, so who is sending this message to the brain? This pulp send the signals to the brain, then you will come to know that there is a toothache. Okay, so these are the, children, the parts of a tooth. Again I am telling you, it's divided. See, a tooth has a crown and a root. The crown is the part that we can see, whereas a root is the part which is inside the gums that we cannot see. Okay, and gums hold gums hold the teeth in their places. Okay, so the white part of the outside of a tooth, that is called the enamel, and it is the hardest substance in the human body, right? Below the enamel lies the hard dentine, and inside the dentine lies the pulp, and the pulp is very soft and it is full of nerves and blood vessels, right? Okay, now children, now further we'll be talking about how to take a care of teeth. Okay, so children, you know, proper care of teeth is very important, right? When we eat when you are eating, what happens? The tiny bits of food get stuck in spaces between our teeth. Okay, so we need to clean them out. Otherwise, what will happen? The germs can grow there. Okay, if you're not going to clean it properly, what will happen? The germs will grow there and they form a sticky yellow layer that is called a plaque. Okay, so a proper brushing with a toothbrush, toothpaste and water can prevent plaque formation. Okay, so the way how we are going to take the care of our teeth. Okay, so children, first of all, brush your teeth at least twice a day. Okay, once in the morning and once before going to bed. Okay, now how you are going to use the brush to clean your teeth? See, use up and down motion to brush teeth, right? Brush the top teeth downward and the bottom teeth upward. How you will brush your teeth? The top teeth downward, brush will be downward, and the bottom teeth, the brush that time it should be upwards. Okay, brush out the back of the teeth also. Clear? And brush the flat surface of the molars and molars also. Premolars and molars. Okay, and children, use a tongue cleaner to clean the tongue. Okay, right? And rinse your mouth well after meals. When you're eating, after them you have to rinse your mouth. Okay, eat food, you have to eat that food which is very healthy for the teeth. Okay, so eat food that is healthy for teeth and gums. For example, like milk, egg, curd and green vegetables. Okay, these are the things which make your teeth healthy, and the gums will also become, because these gums hold the teeth. Okay, so avoid eating too many sweets, sugary snacks or soft drink. Okay, so children, we should not eat too many chocolates and sweets. You know what will happen? As it may cause tooth decay. Okay, now the visit the dentist regularly for the checkups. Okay, you have to visit to the doctors, dentist doctors, for the checkup, regularly checkup for the teeth. Okay, and children, you know, the calcium is very important for the strong teeth. Calcium play a very important role to take a care of our teeth. Okay, to make the teeth strong. Okay, right? So milk and milk products such as curd and cheese are rich sources of calcium. So you should take these things. Okay, because this calcium will make our teeth healthy and strong, right? And eating fruits and salads help in keeping our teeth healthy. We should eat lot of fruits and salads. Okay, that also help, and it will keep our teeth healthy. So these are the children, the way how you are going to take a care of our teeth and how you are going to protect your teeth, right? We should brush our teeth twice, okay, a day, even at a bedtime. Okay, when you're going twice, you have to brush your teeth at least twice a day, once in the morning and once before going to bed. Okay, so rinse your mouth well after meals. Do not eat a lot of sugary things. Okay, do not eat too many chocolates and sweets. You know what will happen, as it may cause tooth decay. Okay, so you know how to take a proper care of our teeth, because these teeth are very important for us, right? So who will take the care of our teeth? We are going to take a care of our teeth. Okay.